Established in 2007, AME is a privately owned U.S.-based company. We design, manufacture, and market products for the heavy equipment, service, and maintenance industry. We love being in the field with the customers. The ACME division of AME was created to work directly with our end users, in their shops, on their equipment. We found that technician involvement in the decision-making process greatly increases tool usage and safety. No two shops are identical. By bringing in the ACME division, technicians get to use the AME tools and help discover exactly what works at your location. Our custom 20-foot trailer brings the best tools and equipment to you. Since 2007, we've performed hands-on, in-the-field training with multiple customers around the world. Experience the ACME difference. Our demo day with your team brings the best opportunities for a truly hands-on experience.